Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. Quickie meals, you can all enjoy it home. I can sense that you're hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, watch Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making the copycat version of Little Caesars KD mac and cheese crazy puffs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are the microwaveable Kraft macaroni and cheese. I have KD seasoning, pizza crust, and also some mild cheddar cheese. Okay guys, you want to have enough shredded cheese to cover your cheese puffs. We're making 6 of them. So now I'm going to go ahead and prepare our mac and cheese. Okay, when you open it, you just want to remove the cheese pack out of there. And we're just going to put water in until it reaches the fill line. Okay guys, now it goes in your microwave for 3.5 minutes. After your 3.5 minutes is up, you want to go ahead and add in your packet of your cheese sauce mix, and we're going to just mix it until it's well combined. Once you're done making your macaroni and cheese, just put it in a bowl and set it to the side. And also the KD seasoning, if you can't find it, it's fine. All you have to do is buy a pack of the Kraft macaroni and cheese and use the seasoning pack out of that. Now you can set your oven to 350 degrees. Next, get a muffin tin and you want to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Now you want to open your pizza crust. Now you can cut it into 6 squares. Now you can place them inside of your muffin tin. Next, we're going to go ahead and get some of the mac and cheese. And you're just going to fill up your muffin cups. Now we're going to take some shredded cheese and go over top. And lastly, we're going to get some of the KD seasoning, and you just want to sprinkle it over top of your cheese. Now they're ready to go into our oven, 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, look how nice these came out. I'm going to let them cool off before I remove them from the pan. Okay guys, so I cut into one, and this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Are y'all hungry yet?